Does your child sound like he has cold 365 days a year? Does your child snore louder than your husband? Welcome to day 1 of the series Solving Kids Health Issue with Homeopathy from one mom to another mom. And today the day 1 is about adenoids, har maa ka sar dard. So let's talk about it. So today I am going to talk about adenoids, a very common condition which I see in my practice very frequently nowadays. So if your child is snoring a lot and is breathing through his mouth and seems like having cold throughout the ear, this video is for you. Adenoids are a patch of lymphoid tissue which are located at the back of the nasal cavity, and in kids of age 2 to 6 years they can get enlarged because of repeated infection or allergies. So adenoids का काम क्या है body में? Adenoids are a part of the immune system of the kid. So whenever they are exposed to any sort of germ, bacteria or viruses and they try to enter through the nose, the adenoids trap them and help the body fight with the infection. So adenoids are not a bad part of your body, but they help the kid's body to fight with infection. So don't think adenoids are bad. They are bad and give symptoms only when enlarged. So we have to treat the enlarged adenoids in the kids. So here are some signs that your child must be struggling with enlarged adenoids. वो मुंह खोल के सांस लेगा, नाक से सांस नहीं ले पाएगा, नाक मोस्टली बंद रहेगा. You would be able to see that the kid is having cold throughout the ear. Then ear infections are very frequent and recurrent cold cough and infections happen if your child has enlarged adenoids. So enlarged adenoids का इलाज क्या है? We cannot let the kid suffer. So conventional medicine में the treatment are sprays, antibiotics, and in some cases where adenoids are very severely enlarged, surgery is also recommended. But is surgery the only solution available for your kid? No. Homeopathy has very good solution for adenoids, and with regular medication the child's adenoids they decrease over the period of time and the symptoms are relieved within the first 4 weeks of treatment. So why homeopathy is a better option for treatment of enlarged adenoids? Look, there are two reasons why adenoids are enlarged in your kid's case. Number one, या तो उसका immune system बहुत weak है, because of which the child is catching infection again and again, and because of repeated immune system activation the adenoids are enlarged. Number two है allergies. The child could be allergic to n number of things. Because of that, repeated allergen exposure creates immune system activation and inflammation happens, leading to enlargement of adenoids. In homeopathy, we look at the root cause and try to solve it. So in case of adenoids, if the immune system is weakened and the child is getting sick again and again, then we work on that and hence adenoid enlargement is stopped, and slowly with time they regress back to the original state. Second, if the child is allergic to the allergens in the environment or in the food, then we work on the allergy, the hyperactive immune system, and the immune system is settled down, leading to like reduced inflammation and a good activation of immune system whenever required only, leading to regression of adenoids to the normal state and thus helping the child to live a normal life.